find your shot over there? Choking on this
I don't
fucking
think
log?
you can, I don't, you are, but I don't know if, we can see, like, in the hole right there, so just slurp away on your pickle.
I'm like over here trying to eat this big old hog, and I'm like in the fucking Jesus. Big old fucking cucumber. That's cute.
Enjoy that song, dear.
I don't know how you women do it.
Just relax and breathe through your nose.
Is that what I gotta start telling you to do?
Yes.
Boy.
Just laughing at you. I'm choking on this hog.
Alright, look over there. I was like, how's the video?
Oh my god, I need to zoom in just to see if I can see through it.
Fucking thing. Well, it's like.
You're like, here's a blooper. Enjoy Greg choking on a.
Cause I bit into it, and the fucking, like, you know, must be what it feels like getting shot in the back of the throat. All the juices were like.
Are your eyes watering you?
Oh dear.
Just roll with it, dear. That's what you do.
Right?